In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the tab in Salesforce Lightning efficiently. Whether you're a new user or someone looking to streamline your workflow, customizing your tabs can make a world of difference in how you navigate and manage your Salesforce experience. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's walk through this process together. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. If you're not already there, simply open your web browser, navigate to your Salesforce instance, and log in. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to begin customizing your tabs. This tab customization is crucial as it allows you to prioritize the tools you use every day, making your work with Salesforce much more efficient and tailored to your specific needs. On your homepage, look for the pencil icon, often referred to as pencil settings because it's the gateway to customization. Click on this icon and you'll open the settings that allow you to start customizing your tab layout. It's like opening the door to a workshop where you can build a workspace that works best for you. Next, you'll want to add more items to your tab by clicking on the Add More Items option. This is where you can expand your toolset and bring in additional resources that you frequently use. Make sure you have a clear idea of what you need most. This will guide you in selecting the right items. Now focus on the Available Items section. This is essentially a library of tools and features that you can incorporate into your tabs. You'll want to have a good look through what's available here before moving on. Remember, the goal is to make your navigation easier and more intuitive. If the list of available items seems overwhelming, you can click on the All button to see everything at once. This feature temporarily lifts filters so you can get a comprehensive view of all options from which you can choose. It's a useful step for trying not to leave any stone unturned. Another handy feature is the Search tab. This is particularly useful if you already know the specific items you want to include. Just type in the name of the item you're looking for and it will filter the results for you. This functionality speeds up the process significantly if you're managing a large number of items. Once you've identified the items you want to add, go ahead and select them. This part is quite simple. Just tick the boxes or use the controls that indicate you've made your selection. After your selection, hit the Add button. This captures all your chosen items and prepares them for integration into your tab layout. Think of it as gathering all your tools and placing them into your toolbox. Finally, be sure to click the Save button to confirm all the changes you've made. This step is absolutely crucial because it locks in your modifications. Without saving, all your efforts in reorganizing could be lost, and you'll have to start over. And there you have it, a fully customized tab setup in Salesforce Lightning that caters specifically to your workflow. Take a moment to explore your new layout and enjoy the efficiency it brings to your daily tasks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.